Welcome to my home era. Today, I'm gonna show you my automated toilet seat. So come. So this is how the automated toilet seat works. The toilet seat is motion sensor, and when I move close to it, it's gonna open up.
James.
Can it happen? My lord. Yeah?
Nataka watu waone ikifunguka, usirekodi haya.
The brother is before.
Usirekodi haya.
It's off.
Sawa zote.
Haya, salale.
Watu kule job tunawaamini.
Salale.
Rekodi wewe. Acha kunirekodi.
Sisi je, utapataje kupona? Sisi je